Good evening! So, welcome to Imperial Homes Brokers Night. So, before that, I would like to acknowledge na ang gaganda niyo tonight. And we have a most handsome sellers here tonight.
Before, we would like to formally open our events tonight. Exciting, and we have a lot of prizes here. That was information coming from our fellow business partners here.
For our opening remarks, we'd like to call on our General Manager and our President of PSLI and Connovate Philippines, our generous and most beautiful manager, Ms. Rodora Arevalo. Please give a round of applause.
Good evening, our dear brokers, salespersons. Thank you for coming. First of all, kahit ganito yung weather, nagpapasalamat ako at nandito po kayo. And we would like to acknowledge yung mga contributors namin for the year 2024. Okay, so may opportunity pa. We have a lot of inventories na pwede nyo pang ibenta next year or ngayong December pa kaya pang humabol. Okay? So bakit tayo nandito? Actually, we would like to showcase ang bagong smart house na newly constructed, hindi pa tapos, pero gusto namin ipakita sa inyo yung bagong development ng aming sister company, which is Demiland Properties solar house, and then yung panels niya made of Connovate din. So kaya tayo nandito. Once natapos na siya, we will invite you again here. Pwede rin kayo dito mag-hold ng mga activities ninyo. And awardings, pwede rin.
We are grateful for all efforts you've exerted for the continued success of the company. Given this 20th day of December 2024, Pagmaswis Province, Legazpi City.
We would like to thank you all sa inyong hard work, dedication, and teamwork kung bakit Imperial Homes is still here and successful since past 2024. And for 2025, we look forward to a bigger sales, more united team. Okay, so let's all be united in delivering our targets. Okay, so again, thank you very much for coming. And before I forget, kasama ko pala yung mga supporters nyo. Okay, from the backroom support. Yan. So ito yung inyong mga mga servidor sa inyo. Okay, we are ready to support you kung ano yung kailangan nyo. Okay, so yon. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to all.
Next year, ano pa rin tayo? So, meron tayong ilalabas sa mga intensive promos for 2024. And, Pagmaswis, baka next year, ilabas namin yung booking information for this Airbnb.